I'm from Pedapanjan at Trayalpeta. Expected our AGO Sri Rajendra Kumar Reddy Sir Garu. Good morning, sir. Our convener Sri Somasekhar Sir Garu. Good morning, sir. And my dear students, once again, good morning to all. Last class we discussed the following topics. Carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis experiment. Light and photosynthesis. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis in the presence of light experiment. Sunlight is necessary to form starch in green plants experiment. Chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Where does photosynthesis take place? These topics are all we discussed in the last class, ma. Today, let's see the new topics. What are they? TS of leaf, transverse section of leaf with the pods explanation, definition of chloroplast, diagram of chloroplast, explanation of chloroplast with parts, functions of chloroplast, mechanism of photosynthesis, light dependent reaction explanation, light independent reaction explanation, recall within previous topics. Okay. We are going to the first slide, the first picture. So slide. See this diagram carefully, ma. This diagram TS of leaf. TS means transverse section of leaf. The cross cutting of the leaf. Okay. Already learnt in the 9th class. What is the TS of leaf? See this in picture. Internal parts of the leaf. What are the placed on the parts? Different types of the parts are there. Observe very carefully. The first part is cuticle, upper epidermis, palisade parenchyma, xylem, phylum, spongy parenchyma, air space, guard cell, lower epidermis, stomata. Once see this picture very carefully. Already we learned in the 9th class. But today remaining the what is the TS of the leaf? The first part is cuticle. This is first the outer layer of the cuticle. See the first layer, ma. The first layer is cuticle, the outer layer. It connecting with environment. Okay. The next part we see upper epidermis. Upper epidermis, few or no chloroplasma. This is single layer. Sir, adi pattern, sir. Explanation no adi pattern, sir. Go, sir. Upper epidermis, this is single layer of cells, ma, containing or no chloroplast. The upper surface is covered with a waxy, waterproof cuticle, which serves to reduce water loss from the leaf. Upper dermis that helps to reduce water loss from the leaf. This is helping to the upper epidermis. The next part is palisade parenchyma. See this picture, this diagram. Palisade parenchyma, the upper layer of ground tissue in a leaf. Sac-like structures. Okay. Another xylem and phylum. Two types of tissues are there, ma. Xylem is transport tissue. Phylum is living tissue. Xylem is transport tissue. It transport to water from roots to stem. That's the xylem. Next, phylum is living tissue. The transport the soluble organic components made during the photosynthesis. Okay. The next part is spongy parenchyma. The layer of cells in the interior of leaves. That's consisting of the loosely arranged irregularly shaped cells that have a chloroplast. That's why the spongy parenchyma has many spaces between the cells. It facilitates the circulation of air and the exchange of gases. We're helping to us in the spongy parenchyma. It helps to spongy parenchyma, circulation of air and the exchange of gases. It lies just below the palisade layer. Okay. The next part is air space. The air space is the production of leaves. The air space is a production of leaves to form a system of air space found in the mature leaf. The leaf production, it helps to air space. The next part is God cell. God cells are specialized plant cells in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs. Okay. Next part is lower epidermis. The lowest surface. Lower epidermis refers to single layer of cells on the lower surface of the leaf that contains the stomata and God cells. Lower epidermis contains God cells and stomata. The God cells and stomata is helping to exchange of gases, transpiration. It helps to transpiration. It contains more stomata than upper epidermis. You can compare to upper epidermis. Lower epidermis as a more stomatas are there. A stomata is an opening on. Okay. The epidermis which allows the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen and transpiration. The last part is stomata. A tiny pore in a plant leaf surrounded by a pair of God cells that regulate its opening and closure. See what door-like structure. Regulate its opening and closure and serves as the site for gas exchanging. Transpiration of the gases of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Once again, see this picture. Sir, explanation by the pattern, sir. Next slide pattern, sir. Sir, sir. Once again, see this picture. What is the explanation of the parts? The first part is cuticle, the outer layer or part of an organism that comes in connect with the environment. The next part, upper epidermis. This is a single layer of cells containing a few or no chloroplast. Few or no chloroplast. The upper surface is covered with a waxy, waterproof cuticle which serves to reduce water from the leaf. Upper epidermis helps to reduce water loss from the leaf. The next, palisade parenchyma, the upper layer of ground tissue in a leaf. The next, xylem. Xylem is one of the two types of transported tissue. Next slide, sir. In a vascular plants, phylum being the other. Next slide. The basic function of xylem is to transport water from roots to stem. Xylem function of xylem is to transport water from roots to stems. Next, phylum. Phylum is the living tissue. Xylem is transport tissue. Phylum is the living tissue in vascular plants that transports the soluble organic components made during photosynthesis. Next, spongy parenchyma, a layer of cells in the interior of leaves consisting of the loosely arranged in the irregularly shaped cells that have chloroplast. In this picture, the spongy parenchyma inside as a dotlet structures are there, ma. That have we say chloroplast. The spongy parenchyma has many spaces between the cells to facilitate the circulation of air and the exchange of gases. It lies just below the palisade layer. And next part is air space. The production of leaves to form the system of air spaces found in the mature leaf. The production of leaves, it helps to the air space. Already see this picture, the air space in the empty space is there. Next, God cells. God cells are specialized plant cell in the epidermis of leaves, stem and other organs. God cells produce leaves, stems and other organs. The God cells are specialized plant cell. Okay, ma? Next, lower epidermis. So next slide, sir. Lower epidermis refers to single layer of cells on the lower surface of the leaf that contains stomata and God cells. It contains more stomata than upper epidermis. Okay, a stomata is an opening on epidermis which allows the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen and transpiration. Okay, last one is stomata. A tiny pore in a plant leaf surrounded by a pair of God cells that regulate its opening and closure. God cells that regulate its opening and closure and serves as the site for gas exchange. Transpiration of the gas, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay. Next we are going to very important topic is chloroplast. Next slide, sir. What is the definition of chloroplast? Chloroplast is an organelle that contains the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll that captures sunlight and converts it into useful energy, thereby releasing oxygen from water. The oxygen releasing to the chloroplast. Oxygen releasing oxygen from water. See ma, definition of chloroplast. Chloroplast is an organelle that contains the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll. Photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll, green in color. The leaves are all show the green in color, ma. That captures sunlight and converts into useful energy, thereby releasing oxygen from water. This is definition of chloroplast. So next slide. Next slide. See this diagram, very important. TS of chloroplast, transverse section of chloroplast. See what are the parts are there in this diagram? Outer membrane, inner membrane, stromal lamella, stroma, lipid droplet, ribosomes, grana, starch granule. See, in this diagram, the first part is outer membrane. The first layer of chloroplast is called outer membrane. It is in a yellow color. See ma, the colors also indicate in this diagram. The color indicate outer layer yellow color. It's produced lipids. Lipids means fats ma. You are all know fats. The outer layer produce fats or lipids. Okay. Next, the color indicates black mark. It color indicates black, the inner membrane. The next part is inner membrane. The space between outer membrane and inner membrane is called inner membrane. See in this picture, outer membrane, yellow color, black color, inner membrane. Between the space is called inner membrane. Okay. Next, stromal lamella. The green color indicates stromal lamella. Okay. It's called chlorophyll. Okay. Chlorophyll helps to receive sunlight in the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Next. See, next part, stroma. Stroma, it is colorless, present with the inner membrane of the chloroplast. Present surrounding in the grana. Surrounded to the grana. See, what is the part of stroma? The stroma within inner membrane, colorless part, present surrounding by the grana. Okay. Next, sir, explanation pattern, sir. Next, lipids. See the indicates of lipids. Lipids produce the fat contents. The next, the stroma. The system is suspended in the stroma. It is collection of membranes sacs called thylakoids. Thylakoids produced fat contents. Okay. The green colored pigments called chlorophyll are found in the thylakoid membranes. It is the site for the process of light dependent reaction of the photosynthesis process. The thylakoids are arranged in the stalks known as grana, and each granum contains around 10 to 20 thylakoids. That is the lipid. What is, you can see the picture of diagram of lipid droplets. Okay. Next, stroma. It is colorless with the inner membrane of the chloroplast present surrounding in the grana. The next part is grana. Next slide, sir. So next slide. These are all the sites of conversion of light energy into chemical energy. The part of grana, the sites of conversion. Grana is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Next, the last one is chlorophyll. It is green pigment, photosynthetic pigment that helps in the process of photosynthesis. Once again, see the explanation of the chloroplast. Sir, intaku mundu slide pattern sir explanation. Intaku slide pattern sir explanation di. The chloroplast, the first part is intaku mundu sir mundudi. Mundu pattern sir okka nimisham. Deeniki mundudi. Chloroplast deeniki mundudi. The first part is outer membrane, same as membrane envelope. It comprises inner and outer lipid bilayer membranes. The inner membrane separates the stroma from the intermembrane space. Deeniki mundu sir. The next part is inner membrane, the space between the inner and outer membranes. The next one, thylakoid system. What is the thylakoid system? Undertakes, the system is suspended in the stroma. It is a collection of membrane sacs called thylakoids. The green colored pigments called chlorophyll are found in the thylakoid membranes. Not only thylakoid system means it produced fats content, lipids. Okay. Not in confusion, ma. Thylakoids, one of the new word. That meaning is lipids, ma. Thylakoids. Next, it is the site for the process of light dependent reaction of the photosynthesis process. What is the light dependent reaction? In the discuss with the next topic. The thylakoids are arranged in the sacs known as grana, and each granum contains around 10 to 20 thylakoids. Okay, next slide, sir. Next, what is the stroma? It is the colorless and the present within the inner membrane of the chloroplast, present surrounding the grana. Grana is the main, these are all the sites of conversion of light energy into the chemical energy. The last one is chlorophyll. It is a green pigment, that's a photosynthetic pigment that helps in the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Next slide, sir. Chlorophyll is such as a pigment which contain one atom of magnesium. It is similar in the structure of the heme of hemoglobin. We all know the hemoglobin, ma'am. Hemoglobin is indicate color is red pigment. Red pigment that transport oxygen in blood. Same like that. Chlorophyll is green pigment. Transport oxygen, remaining parts of the body. It's remaining parts of the body. Okay, remaining parts of the plant body. Okay, understood all of you? Next, very important, functions of chloroplast. See all of you, listen, observe carefully in this slide. What are the functions of chloroplast? The most important function of the chloroplast is to synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. Chloroplast is a very important part of the leaf. The function is the chloroplast is to synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. Absorb light energy and convert into the chemical energy. The chloroplast absorb light energy and convert into chemical energy. Okay, chemical energy means it produces carbohydrates, food contents it produced. Chloroplast has a structure called chlorophyll, which functions by trapping the solar energy and use it for the synthesis of food in the all green plants. Green plants only participate in the process of the photosynthesis. Okay. What is the next? The produced NADPH. What is the stands for NADPH? Nicotinamide, adenosine, dinucleotide phosphate, hydrogen. Okay, this is one of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction in the process of the photosynthesis. Chemical substances. Okay, next it produced ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This helping to preparation of the food content themselves. Already the solar energy is directly given to the sun, and how to you can convert to the chemical energy? The chemical energy produced to NADPH and ATP. NADPH stands for nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Those are all chemical reactions and form to the chemical energy. Given to the next topic, explanation for the NADPH and ATP. Okay, next, the carbon dioxide obtained from the air is used to generate carbon and sugar during the Kelvin cycle. Kelvin cycle or dark reaction of photosynthesis. Madam, in the next topic is, sir?
Last 10 minutes.
Sir?
10 minutes, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Is it completed, sir? Next, the reactions of dark reaction and light reaction. What is the next topics we discuss, ma? Sir, next slide, sir. Next, mechanism of photosynthesis. Very important topic, ma. Mechanism of photosynthesis. Two ways are there, ma. The first one is light dependent reaction. The second one is light independent reaction. light dependent reaction. In this reaction, light plays a key role. Light is presence. The next one is light independent reaction. This reaction does not require the presence of light. Okay. The next, the first reaction is light dependent reaction, is same as photochemical phase. Photochemical phase and the light reaction or Hill reaction is same. Photochemical phase, light reaction or Hill reaction, these are all the different names are there. Next, what is the next? The photochemical step is dependent upon light. Very must. The light is presence. The reaction utilized into the presence of sunlight. The function of this phase is to the produce assimilatory power in the consisting of reduced coenzyme NADPH energy and rich ATP molecules. What is the NADPH stands for? Nicotinamide, adenosine, dinucleotide phosphate, hydrogen. NADPH is the key electron donor. Okay, reducing the agent. Donor means reduce agent. Agent means the mediator. Sunlight, the mediator of the NADPH, you can convert to chemical energy. Sun given to the solar energy directly. The solar energy it convert to the chemical energy. The donor, the help is NADPH. Okay, this provides the hydrogen and electrons needed to combine the carbon dioxide into the carbohydrate molecules. Okay. Next, NADPH molecule plays a crucial role in the some of the chemical reactions that make up the process of photosynthesis. This is NADPH explanation. Next, what is the ATP? ATP provides the free energy to power dot reactions. Adenosine triphosphate. The next, these reactions occur within specialized membrane disc with the chloroplast called thylakoids and involve the three steps. The photochemical phase or light reaction, light dependent reaction or Hill reaction have three steps. The first step is the chlorophyll on exposed to light energy becomes activated by the absorbing photons. Photons means photon is the smallest unit of light energy. Okay. Next, step 2. What is the step 2, ma? This is step 2, the energy. Which energy? Light energy. Light energy is used to splitting the water molecule. Receiving to the light energy in the independent reaction, the energy is used in splitting the water molecule into two component ions named hydrogen and hydroxyl ions. Hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion gives us to, it came to molecule of water. It forms to the molecule of water. The reaction is known as the photolysis, which means splitting by the light. The water receiving to the absorbing from the plant soil. How do you can splitting to like that in the water molecule? Hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Both are you can splitting and you can came to the molecule of water. The reaction is known as photolysis, which means splitting by the light. Photo means light. Lysis means breaking. This was discovered by Hill. This reaction discovered by Hill. Hence, it is also called Hill's reaction. Next step, the third step is, so next slide. The highly reactive ions of water undergo quick change as described below. Hydroxyl ions through a series of steps produced water and oxygen. Hydroxyl ion through the series of steps produce water and oxygen. Water may be used by the plant inside, but oxygen usually released into the atmosphere. Oxygen released into the atmosphere. Okay, water may be used by the plant inside. Oxygen released to the outside. Okay. Hydrogen ions undergo series of the changes in dark reaction. Compounds that can be trap energy like ATP and NADPH, adenosine triphosphate and nicotinamide adenosine dinucleate phosphate hydro. These are all chemical substances like to are formed at the end of the light reaction. These the 3 steps undertaking to the process of the light dependent reaction discovered by the Hill reaction. Hill reaction, photochemical phase, and light reaction and Hill reaction. These are all 3 steps are there, ma'am. This is very important question for examination view. And next one is the next topic is light. Next slide, sir. Light independent reaction. This also say biosynthetic phase.
మేడం ఇంకా
The
3 minutes
biosynthetic
ఉంది. ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడండి పిల్లలతో.
అయిపోయిందా సార్?
ఇంకా 3 minutes ఉంది. వాళ్ళతో ఏమైనా మాట్లాడేదైతే మాట్లాడండి.
అవునా సార్? ఒక టాపిక్ ఉంది సార్.
చెప్పండి మేడం.
అది అవుతుందో లేదో తెలియలేదే.
కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి అట్లయితే.
5 minutes పడుతుంది ఆపేద్దామా?
లేదు మేడం 3 minutes లో కట్ అయిపోతుంది అంతే.
అట్లయితే వద్దులేండి సార్, అది కంప్లీట్ కాదులేండి. ఓకే సార్,
చూద్దాం ఇది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్ మా.
మీరు ఎవరితో మాట్లాడండి మేడం.
మా
ఎవరితో మాట్లాడతారు?
ఎవరున్నారు సార్ అక్కడ? మీరే చెప్పండి. మోష్మిత అంట, రమ్య, జోష్న.
మోష్మిత మాట్లాడు. మోష్మిత అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకో.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Moshita. How are you?
Fine, madam. You, madam?
I am also fine, ma.
I have a doubt, madam.
Say, ma.
Can you explain deeply about thylakoid system, ma'am?
Thylakoid system is undertaking the parts of stroma and grana, ma. This stops and come to the system of thylakoid. Thylakoid is one of the system. It given produced into the lipids. That's why indicates another name is thylakoid. Okay, cyclic structures are now in the diagram shows indicate between the some what are the cyclic structures are there now. That's why the thylakoid system undertaking the parts of stroma and grana. The both of parts we say the system undertaking to the thylakoid system. That is we say stroma and grana. The parts came to the system of thylakoid. Okay. Understood? Next
ఎవరు మాట్లాడతారా మేడం? బ్రో మాట్లాడాలంటే చేయి పైకి ఎత్తండి. జాహ్నవి మాట్లాడు. జాహ్నవి
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, ma.
Hello.
Can you able to understand?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say, ma.
Good morning, madam.
We note these points in.
I understand very well, madam.
Okay, thank you. Everyone, you note these
Breakout
points, ma.
madam.
Okay. Everyone note these points and note the points, and you can keep the one notebook also, ma. You kept in the one notebook. You follow the slides.
Maheshwari P. Maheshwari.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, ma.
Yeah, teach very well, madam.
Thank you, ma.